Is that okay?
Brilliant.
Okay, that's great. So,
Hi, I'm Xiaojing from China. It's a great honor to have this opportunity to communicate with you. Now I would like to introduce some of the work our team has done for the construction of agricultural information resources. I would like to give a brief introduction on my organization, the shared platform, and the construction of platforms resources, the functions of platform, and our future work. BAFS was founded in 1958. It's a comprehensive agricultural research institution in Beijing. There are 50 specialized research institutes, more than 1,000 employees. AIE is a specialized research institute under BAFS. It mainly carries out research and extension service in the field of information resource construction, information technology, agriculture, economic management. Our team has been engaged in construction of agricultural information resources, data sharing, and information analysis for nearly 2 decades. The Beijing Agricultural Information Resources Center was established in 2003. The platform provides rich resources such as new various agricultural technology to rural area and farmers in China, and help farmers solve problems. At present, the platform continues to update the resources and provides resource sharing service to the users. Apart from farmers, we also provide service to managers and researchers. Their needs for information resources are different from those of the farmers, so it's necessary to establish a resource sharing platform for them. The goal of Beijing Agriculture Think Tank platform is to build a resource-rich, well-organized, and functional agricultural science and technology knowledge service platform to provide data sharing service and in-depth information analysis service for marketers, managers, and researchers. At present, the platform has gathered more than 1 million pieces of agricultural information resources from China, other countries, and a few international organized resources have the following characteristics. Firstly, the type of the resources is diverse and covers a wide range of areas. The platform brings together 12 categories of information resources, including policies, plans, projects, actions. Secondly, our information resources are from government, international organizations, academic associations, of official media, so as to ensure authority and liability of the resources. Thirdly, BAFS owns a lot of primary data resources, such as export information, technology achievements, research reports. These resources would be available through the platform. There are 4 main channels for data acquisition. One is the open data from Internet. Another is the internal data of BAFS. Thirdly, data from the government and academic association. Last is commercial databases, which are only available to BAFS internals. Among them, the open data from the Internet is the major source. We have developed an automatic acquisition system. The system can collect the resources from the target websites in real time according to the information source. Resource classification schemes of resource types of agriculture systems was established to describe resource from the different perspectives. Then the foreground present all the data resources in this field according to the topic of the agriculture field. For example, the knowledge base of the modern seed industrial topics gather seed industry information, latest patterns, seed industrial projects, seed industry experts, and other resources together. A general metadata model is established by fully considering the metadata content necessary for data content, data display, data management, such as the title, theme, keyword, data source. On the basis of the common metadata, different databases extend and add their own unique metadata fields so as to form the metadata standard of this database, such as project database increase the project commitment unit, funding, project time. STCORS is adopted as the base vocabulary of knowledge organization. STCORS is a super vocabulary of science and technology, edited by NSTL, CAS. Currently, STCORS has collected more than 240,000 agriculture terms and more than 90,000 concepts. STCORS provides sharing service through our website and open interface. STCORS is used in platform data retrieval and keyword extraction. We have developed an automatic classification tool for agricultural resources. The processor imports the resource into the system, and the system returns the result of the classification of the resources, such as seed industry, planting industry, agricultural product safety. We also developed a tool which automatically extracts keywords from the text. STCORS is used as the controlled vocabulary to ensure that the professional term will not separated, such as gene expression, which will not be divided into gene and expression. At the same time, concepts in the text will be extracted. STCORS is applied for data retrieval. If you search tomato, its synonyms will be added as a query condition automatically. In the search result page, the system prompts the broader and narrow concepts of the search terms to expand and narrow the search scope. When the user enters the system, the following will prompt the user to enter the association. For example, when the user enters rice, the title of the rice resources in the top 5 and some concepts of rice will be shown. Resources recommendation based on user customized interest labels and historical behavior data, such as browsing and retrieval history. The system automatically generated user interest labels, soil index, and user portraited tag were the intelligent messaging to provide user with personalized recommendation service. For example, if the interest label are gene editing, breeding, seed planning, the system automatically recommends resources in the field of plant breeding, animal breeding, planning, and policies. In the future, we hope to cooperate with more institutions to jointly build and share resources. We also look forward to carry out research and cooperation with our counterparts and in semantic technology, knowledge organization technology, and the intelligent data processing area. This is the end of my speech. Thank you for your listening.